not doing it right. You gotta do it with a lot of effort. You got it? So I say when you gotta scream, you gotta do it with all you got. You got it? So everybody, let's go together and we say, uno, dos, tres, let's go. Let's go. Damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me tell you something. We gotta give it a big applause to all of these people that make it happen right now, though. You got it? But, unfortunately, there can only be one winner, though. And on this area, let me tell you, this line right over this side, called the naked. I want you to do me a big favor. Everybody put your hands up, please, in the air. Alright? Todo el mundo con las manos arriba because they drip a little bit. We say do not drink any alcohol. This is sacred in Cancun, Mexico. Got it? So, everybody put your hands up and we say side to side. We scream. Na 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 na.
Because they're going to kick somebody out.
Hey! Good boy. Alright, all of you, please, my fellas. Beautiful ladies, jump in the pool. You got it? That's right. Alright. We're gonna go with the next these two lines right over these sides. You guys did great, though. You guys did great. Alright? These two lines. We're gonna go. Who do you think is the winner of today? ¿Quién cree que es el ganador? Do you think it's the Latinos? Or do you think it's gonna be all the way from the USA? Alright, who thinks? ¿Quién piensa que los latinos son los ganadores? Who thinks it's all the way from the USA? Latinos, Latinos, Latinos.